Good afternoon, Yat Etlana'a, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So for today, we're going to learn how to say the coffee is done. To say the coffee is done in Navajo, we're going to have Ramona Yazi tell us how to say the coffee is done today in Navajo.
Where's your beige?
Yes, I am.
So to say the coffee is done, you would say Ahwe Shebej, Ahwe Shebej, the coffee is done boiling. Ahwe means coffee, and of course you can either say Ahwe, Kohwe, or Dehwe, depending on where you're from. And Shebej means it is done boiling or it has boiled. It is the past tense form. The word boiling is a good example of a word in Navajo that shows the different forms that a Navajo verb can have. Yebej is the present tense form, yebej. When you say gohwe yebej, it means the coffee is boiling right now. Gohwe yebej. You can use it to say like t'ati yebej, like when you want to say it is still boiling, t'ati yebej. But just as a side note, if you were talking about drip coffee, like you're saying it's not ready yet, but it's still dripping, you would say t'ati nahidel ch'al. T'ati nahidel ch'al. You can use this word yebej to say other things are boiling. Again, in these examples, I'm giving you the Navajo nouns. Feel free to switch in the English noun and the sentence will still make sense. Atho yebej. Atho yebej, alos yebej, alos yebej, de yebej, de yebej, hashlish gohwe yebej, hashlish gohwe yebej, na otle yebej, na otle yebej. So yebej is the present tense form of boiling, saying it is boiling now. Yebej, that's the present tense. The repetitive tense is napish. Napish. Now you don't really use this frequently, napish. You can use it in a sentence like shakafi maker, tabe napish. My coffee maker automatically boils coffee on its own. Shakafi maker, tabe napish. And then we have the past tense form, shebej, shebej, which means it is done boiling. Shebej. So when you say ahwe shebej, it means the coffee is done boiling. Ahwe shebej. The future tense of this verb is dobish. Dobish, meaning it will boil up to that point. Dobish. You can use it in a sentence like o hodinago al dobish, which means it'll be done boiling in just a moment. Or you can say ta nahodo nago al bish. Ta nahodo nago al bish. It'll be more than a while before it's done boiling. The last form that we'll talk about is going to be the optative form, wobej, wobej. And the optative form is more of a form that you would say like, I wish that, or don't let this happen. Now, Young and Morgan shares this in their dictionary, and you don't really use wobej too often. You could use it in a sentence like, t'o nidenilto, wobej lago. T'o nidenilto, wobej lago, which means just warm it up, but don't let it boil. You could also say, ahwe wo'a wobej lago. Ahwe wo'a wobej lago. Don't let it boil over. Now, the fun thing about this phrase is that you can use this phrase in slang. When you say ahwe shebej can also mean the food is done. Ahwe shebej. You can also say ahwe shebej. Ahwe shebej. Is the food done? So in this context, it doesn't just refer just to coffee, but you can also make it refer to food. Dabej is the plural form, meaning three or more things are boiling all at once. Dabej. So what you can say is ahuehe está beige, and it means like, is cooking being done? Because it's referring to several things boiling all at once. Is cooking being done? Ahuehe está beige. So in the word daj beige with a Z, that's the past tense form. So if somebody said ahuehe está beige, that means, is all the cooking done? Ahuehe está beige. You can even use this in a sentence saying, we were cooking all day. Now there's still other forms that we didn't talk about here, like yeshbej, I'm boiling it, neshbej, you're boiling it, or yeshbej, he or she is boiling it. And you can use that with those nouns that we talked about earlier, but we're not going to get into too much detail here just because of time. But again, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your parents, your grandparents, your Navajo language teacher, or leave it in the comments below. And I think this video will make some enjoyment for the holidays. So I hope you're enjoying family, and I hope that you're doing it in a way where you're still protecting yourself from COVID, staying vaccinated, wearing masks, socially distancing when possible. And you can use this phrase during the holidays to just say, hey, is cooking being done? Ahuehe está beige. Have fun with it, and see you guys next time. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Yat e keshmishto nijunago nenana dochahya. Happy New Year.
Way down among Brazilians, coffee beans grow by the billions, so they've got to find those extra cups to fill. They've got an awful lot of coffee in Brazil.